Are you looking for peace of mind at your doorstep? Look no further. With the Blink Video Doorbell, your home's entrance is always within your control. Check out the link in the video description to learn more and get your Blink Video Doorbell on Amazon. Your home is in your hands.
Man, Shania Twain sure had us all feeling like a woman as she rocked out on the Glastonbury festival stage. Following epic sets from Dua Lipa, Coldplay, and plenty more, the country queen had worthy farm in the palm of her hand as she delighted a crowd of thousands with all her hits. Alas, viewers still had complaints, taking to social media to slam the sound quality as Shania, 58, powered through the technical challenges. Follow the latest Glastonbury 2024 updates on US News. Company UK's live blog. Several branded the sound dreadful, while ex-user Ferg shared an old video of Shania on stage, begging, "The sound needs sorting 'cause Shania Twain can sing." Claiming the set was painful to listen to, Jason_Davies wrote, "What the hell is going on with the sound at Glastonbury this year? They've done Shania Twain dirty here." User Legalixkiwi said Shania was being slaughtered and DRSDG said she looked uncomfy. The sound needs sorting 'cause Shania Twain can sing. Unspecified currency #Glastonbury, pic.twitter.com/yvcx81d9qv. Come on #Glastonbury sort the sound out for #Shania. She's a trooper, so she's keeping on, but she deserves better than this. #Glastonbury 2024 #Shania Twain. Shania Twain having her legend slot ruined by the sound desk was not on my #Glastonbury 2024 bingo card. Criminal. I was looking forward to seeing Shania Twain, but this sounds dreadful on TV. Thankfully, the ever-professional music star made it through the set without a major hitch and proved herself to be a real trooper, despite the sound engineers not being on her side. Her set also marked a major moment in Shania's career, given how she once feared that she would never perform again. The year still the one vocalist underwent open throat surgery in 2018. Speaking to Graham Norton last year, Shania revealed that her voice had been disappearing for 7 years, having no idea that Lyme disease, which she contracted from the bite of an infected tick in 2003, could damage her vocal cords. She now has a very different and much more raspy voice, but she's happy to have it back. Visibly overwhelmed with emotion, Shania described her Glastonbury set as life-changing as she was joined by Somerset revelers wearing cowboy hats. The Canadian country singer performed from her back catalogue of bangers during the festival's coveted Legends slot, beginning with hit track That Don't Impress Me Much and ending with the upbeat tune Man. I Feel Like a Woman. Shania first took to the stage wearing a ruffled pink ensemble, which she then took off, revealing a black mini dress. Speaking to the audience, she revealed that she had explored the festival site ahead of her debut performance. "This really is a city. It's a community," she said. Later on, she told the crowd, "I find moments like this very life-changing." Shania is also set to perform a headline set at Hyde Park's British Summertime, BST, festival on July 7th with special guests The Corrs. Fans such as Grace Carroll, 32, told the PA news agency how it meant so much to her as she has been obsessed with Shania since she was 9 years old. The fundraising officer, from London, added, "She set the blueprint, you know, like, without Shania Twain, there'd be no Taylor Swift. So she's, yes, literally, an icon, perfect person to have on the legend stage." Following Shania's set, fellow Canadian Avril Lavigne played her hits including SK8 Our Boy, Girlfriend, and Complicated, telling the crowd that she has always loved performing in the UK. Elsewhere on Sunday, a barefoot Paloma Faith offered relationship advice to the Pyramid Stage audience, aimed at just the men. Following Paloma leading the audience in a sing-along of her track Sweatpants, from her latest album, The Glorification of Sadness, which deals with the end of a relationship, the 42-year-old British singer said she had been experimenting with dating apps. But she called that form of finding love the Wild West as people don't really know how to connect anymore. She added, "Try and stay together, but it's the resentment that's the problem. So all I'm asking, this is a plea, I'm talking about heterosexual men, if you are married, and I just want you to notice that if a woman does the same action every single day, it means it needs doing, so don't wait to ask to do it, just do it." Dressed in a tight pink and red dress, the star had struggled with a sore T,